Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Okotoks, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to handle an upcoming move, you need a cheap Okotoks moving company like 3 Movers. With our professional movers, you get the services you need and the benefits you are looking for. Our local and long-distance moving services make relocating simple no matter where you need to go. Let us provide you with the best long-distance moving services possible with options such as packing services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Hiring our team of long-distance movers means you get the best options for your specific needs. We know how to help you relocate 100 miles away or further with ease. Getting the right Canada moving company will help when you move locally. Even a local move can come with a lot of work. Everything you have to move has to be loaded into a truck and moved to a new location. Without a local moving company like 3 Movers, you have to do all the work yourself. However, when you hire us, you get a team ready to get to work for you. We know how to make your local move super easy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Okotoks moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.